Hello, my dear students. This is the part 3 of the series General Methods of Preparation of Haloalkanes. In this part 3, I will be teaching you the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols, from phosphorus halides, and from thionyl chloride. Alright, so first of all, I am going to teach you preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols by the action of halogen acids. Halogen acids means HX. So, halogen acids react with the alcohols in the presence of dehydrating agent to form alkyl halide and water. Since in the absence of dehydrating agent, the reaction becomes reversible. So to check the reversibility, this water is to be removed. And to remove this water, we are supposed to use dehydrating agent. Alright, dear students. See, this reaction looks like very simple, but it has got so many facts with it. So let us discuss those facts of this reaction. Now, here alcohol reacts with the halogen acid, and this reaction, if you see, you are understanding it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In nucleophilic substitution reaction, the intermediate formed is carbocation. Alright. Now, we have understood very well in class 11, the stability of the carbocation follows the order 3 degree, 2 degree and then 1 degree. It means 3 degree carbocations are the stable most. So, keeping this in the mind, we can say the reactivity of the alcohols in this reaction. Reactivity of alcohols in this reaction also will follow the order same as that of a stability of carbocation, that is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. I hope it is clear. That means all three kind of alcohols, whether it is 3 degree, 2 degree or 1 degree, undergo this reaction comfortably. Alright. Now, when I say halogen acids are of three types. We know HI, HBr and HCl. All three halogen acids can undergo this reaction comfortably. But which acid undergoes reaction quickly or fastly? So it follows the order, my dear students, as HI, HBr and HCl. Now question comes, why HI? Means HI is the most reactive halogen acid for this particular reaction. Now question comes, why? Answer lies in the bond dissociation energy. HX bond dissociation energy. So dear students, the bond dissociation energy is maximum in case of HCl and it is minimum in case of HI. Since in case of HI, the bond dissociation energy is minimum, so it readily takes part in this reaction. In case of HCl, the bond dissociation energy is the maximum among all three. So the reactivity of HCl towards this reaction is the least among all these three halogen acids. I hope these facts are clear to you. They are very, very important facts. Very, very important facts for your exams. Now we are going to prepare, by this method we will learn to prepare alkyl chlorides, alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides separately. Now, what if we want to prepare alkyl chloride? To prepare alkyl chloride, dear students, whether we have primary alcohol, secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol, we make it to react with HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. There are some exceptions that you will come to know within few minutes. So, first of all, I will teach you the preparation of 1 degree alkyl halide using 1 degree alcohol, primary alcohol. So, you can see this primary alcohol. I am taking one example here of ethyl alcohol. When we react it with HCl using anhydrous zinc chloride, then it undergoes nucleophilic substitution with the removal of water. Since anhydrous zinc chloride absorbs water, checks the reversibility. So we comfortably get this 1 degree alkyl chloride very easily. Dear students, this combination of HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride is also called as Lucas reagent. Alright, so when I say Lucas reagent, so immediately you pick up that it is HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. So this was preparation of 1 degree alkyl halide from 1 degree alcohol. Now, what if we want to prepare secondary alcohol? Same method, dear students. Secondary alcohol, we react with HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. That means use of Lucas reagent. Same way the reaction proceeds, removal of water. You can see here removal of water. This way you can learn the reaction. And we get here 2 degree alkyl halide very easily. CH3, CH, single bond CH3, single bond Cl. This is 2 degree alkyl halide. I hope it is clear. Now, in case of tertiary alcohol, if we take tertiary alcohol or we want to prepare 3 degree alkyl halide, then the reaction takes place even in the absence of anhydrous zinc chloride. Means there is no need to use anhydrous zinc chloride, and 3 degree alcohol comfortably reacts with conc HCl, undergo this nucleophilic substitution reaction to produce 3 degree alkyl halide. I hope all these reactions are clear to you. So this was from alcohol, first method by the action of halogen acids. Now we are going to see the formation of bromoalkanes. We have seen formation of alkyl chloride. Now we are going to see formation of bromoalkanes. Alright. Now, bromoalkanes, we make alcohol to react with HBr in the presence of conc H2SO4 as our drying agent or dehydrating agent, you can say, and comfortably it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction to produce alkyl bromide. Dear students, you must have never seen HBr in the laboratory. So that's the reason we have to prepare HBr for this reaction in situ. In situ means during the process by the action of conc H2SO4 on KBr. So KBr, conc H2SO4, since we are not heating, so mono substitution of the H2SO4 will take place, results in the formation of HSO4 and HBr. So remember, if this equation comes in the exam, alright, if this comes in the exam, convert alcohol into alkyl bromide. So always you will write the reaction in this way. ROH plus HBr, HBr in the bracket you mention KBr plus H2SO4. So the examiner will come to know that you know that HBr is prepared in situ, alright, and then you write the final product RBr and H2O. I hope it is clear to all of you, alright. Now, you must be thinking that for alkyl chlorides or chloroalkanes, I have taught you for primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Then why I have written here only primary alcohol? I am not telling you about secondary and tertiary alcohol for the preparation of bromoalkanes. So dear students, remember, look at the reaction. This reaction is taking place in presence of conc H2SO4, a very strong dehydrating agent. So if we take secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol, alright, any alcohol of the secondary or tertiary alcohol you take, and then you form secondary alkyl bromide or 2 degree alkyl bromide, or you form 3 degree alkyl bromide. So dear students, they will not be able to form. Why? Because conc H2SO4 will cause the dehydration of this secondary and tertiary alcohol. That's the reason whenever we prepare bromoalkanes, then we never discuss about use of 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. So this reaction is very good only for 1 degree alcohol. Now, iodoalkane. Iodoalkane is prepared by the action of HI on ROH, means alcohol. Similarly, HI you never see in the laboratory, so it is prepared in situ by the action of H3PO4 on Ki. In situ you are understanding that during the formation, during the course of the reaction. The reaction takes place in this way. You can see here Ki plus H3PO4, substitution KH2PO4 and HI. Alright. Here also in case of iodoalkanes, this reaction is best for 1 degree alcohol. So this was total about preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols by the first method, action of halogen acids. Now the second method, from alcohols by the action of phosphorus halides. So phosphorus halides can be of 3 types: phosphorus chlorides, phosphorus bromides and phosphorus iodides, like PCl3, PBr3, Pi3, or it can be PCl5, PBr5, Pi5. I hope it is clear. Alright. Now, so first of all, we are going to prepare chloroalkane. So what do? We react directly phosphorus halides with the alcohol. So for chloroalkane, what do? Alcohol is made to react with phosphorus trichloride as well as phosphorus pentachloride. Just for the sake of ease of yours to understand the reaction, I have elaborated the formula of PCl5 in this way. PCl3 bonded with ClCl separately. Now see, how can you learn this reaction? See, remove POCl3, alright, then remove HCl. So these are 2 byproducts, and the one which are left are RCl. This is your major product. Alright, so whenever you have to react any alcohol with PCl5, always elaborate the formula of PCl5 this way and then write the reaction. In this way, you will never make any mistake in writing the products and byproducts. Alright. When we use phosphorus trichloride, at that time, dear students, you have to use 3 molecules of alcohol, ROH, ROH. I am writing it separately. You can write simply as 3 ROH, the way you want. Okay. Now, here, this is your byproduct, H3PO3. Alright, H3PO3. Now, we have 3 R left and 3 Cl left. So, we have 3 RCl. Easy equations for you. Now, the next is bromoalkanes. The way we prepare bromoalkanes, same way we prepare iodoalkanes. Alright. So, both the methods are of same type. So, I am going to teach both the methods together. In case of bromoalkanes, alright, we need to prepare phosphorus bromide in situ during the course of the reaction. That's the reason whenever we need to prepare RBr, then we react alcohol with the red phosphorus and bromine. Means in the reaction, red phosphorus and bromine is used to prepare PBr3, and then this PBr3 is made to react with alcohol. The reaction is exactly similar, 3 molecules of alcohol with 1 molecule of PBr3 with the removal of H3PO3, formation of 3 RBr. Alright. Same way when we want to prepare iodoalkane, then this iodoalkane is prepared by the reaction of red phosphorus with the iodine, I2. By mistake bromine was written. So with the iodine, Pi3 is formed. This Pi3 is then made to react with alcohol. The pattern of the reaction is same. H3PO3 is the byproduct. 3R and 3RI will be the major product. I hope this reaction is clear. Now the third method, my dear students, from alcohol. Alcohols can be converted into alkyl chlorides only alkyl chlorides, not bromides, not iodides, by the action of thionyl chloride SOCl2 in the presence of pyridine. So when alcohols are made to react with thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine, then the reaction you can learn that way. Remove SO2, alright. Out of 2 Cl, 1 will go with H forming HCl, and your major product will be RCl. Remember, this method is used only to prepare alkyl chlorides, not alkyl bromides or alkyl iodides. I hope this method to prepare haloalkanes from alcohol is clear. Remember, we can prepare haloalkanes from alcohol using 3 ways. First way, action of halogen acid. Second way, action of phosphorus halides. And third way, action of thionyl chloride.